So Italian design, as perceived by interior designers, I think it's very popular. I work on many projects, and by far the most popular source of furniture, materials, joinery, finishes, all from Italy. I think there's many reasons. The history of the style. The designers are very familiar with the products here. There's a lot of consistency. It's not something new. So it means it's quite safe and reliable because it's been doing like this 50, 100, 200 years. It means again in 50 years they can still have the same relationship with the same companies, family businesses and so on. And it's very important for the businesses, interior designers, architects and so on, to make sure anything they specify, put their name to, it's going to be reliable and good quality, workmanship and so on. And some people try to go to different countries, different styles and so on. But it's much harder to convince the client, the person who's buying something, of what's the quality. You know? In England we have very good materials, joinery and so on. But if we say it's Italian, straight away everyone knows what's the level, and not such a big discussion, why this, why that, you know. So it's very straightforward, easy to use, I think. What is most valued, I think, in the Italian industry, personally for me, I think is the style. Craftsmanship, of course, is very high, production is very reliable, but it's the style, the design, you know. It's, everyone can copy, and there's lots of copies of different styles around the world. I think the advantage of Italian design and style is you feel like you know it, but it's still fresh this year. After 3 or 4 or 5 years, it still then becomes more towards a classic. Whereas strangely, the copy suddenly looks very strange, isolated by itself. You know? So Italian one lasts long. It's like new and fresh in the beginning, but then ages very well. And I think this is very important for a designer, to specify a product which is going to look good first year, 5 years, 10 years and so on. Our design needs and our goals and our work, it's very similar to what we talked about earlier, which is the style is very important, the reliability and the craftsmanship. But once you have those, you then need something extra, which is the consistency, to always repeat the same quality and to have a very good aftercare. If you don't have a family business or history in the region of manufacturing, craftsmanship and style, you can't be sure that this will continue forever with a certain supplier. So my goals are to make sure that we always can achieve the same result after time. And this is very important, because if you're running a business, you need to make sure you can guarantee this. And this is very difficult. Companies come and go. In Italy, they seem to last longer. It's more of a history. You can be more sure about the future. So reliability and consistency in delivering the product quality is very important.